Hi, my name is Tamika.
Hi, Jillian here.
Hey guys, so first things I like to do in the morning is make my bed. Honestly, I can't even lie and try to say like, oh, I've always been that person who just gets up, makes her bed, and is going through the day. I am a person who is lazy by default, and I really have to put effort into staying on top of things and being organized. And at the end of the day, it's worth it. It pays off, especially too when you have a nice, clean, organized space. It makes it better for you to want to create, knowing where all of your creative stuff is, not having so much clutter. It just kind of gives you a nice breath of fresh air. And something that I really love to have in the morning is a matcha latte. I have never been a big coffee drinker. I've always gravitated towards tea, and matcha lattes have been my saving grace with keeping energized, staying focused, and not feeling like I have that huge kind of caffeine crash that I do when I drink coffee.
I just wanted to say thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to get through the mental blocks that keep you from doing what you love.
So, we welcome you guys into our crazy collective, into the minds of me and my counterpart, Jill. I, am happy for all of that. Come along on this ride with us. Definitely will not be the end, just the beginning. So, happy birthday, baby bloomers. This is our start, and let's go.
Happy creating. Bye.